Hello, welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by annualpools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and something you might not know is we are known as the Mrs. Slocum and Miss Brahms of the pool industry. If you get that reference, leave a comment down below and we'll send you a promo code for some money off your next order. You won't get it. The question goes as such. Which water test method is more accurate, liquid reagent or test strips? Both methods are adequate options for water testing. You can't go wrong with either as long as you have an idea of what your water chemistry levels are. That's the important part.
But the question is...
I know what the question is. I read it.
But the question is, which is more accurate? And without a doubt, the liquid reagent test kit provides more accurate results. Liquid test kits give you precise readings because you're using undiluted reagents directly with your water sample, ensuring accurate results every time.
Strips and liquid tests use similar chemicals, but the strips reagents are soaked into these little trademark felt squares. Those squares create an intermediary between the reagent and your water sample, adding an element that could foul the test results. Plus, liquid reagents maintain their integrity longer, while test strips are prone to degradation over time, leading to inconsistent readings.
Bad strips lead to bad results. I personally use the tailored K2005 liquid kit to keep my pool balanced. It only takes a couple of minutes and it's very easy to use.
Cool people use the K2006, but...
I guess I'm not cool.
Yeah, we know, but I think that answers it. If you have any questions about pool chemistry or anything pool and or spa, leave a comment down below and please come visit us over at annualpools.com. Thank you. Bye.